Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to set up a new entry into the address book of your Sharp copier. We're going to use a Windows computer, but if you have a Mac, that'll be fine too. So, to start, you're going to need the IP address of the printer. If you don't have that information, there's a video link below that will show you how to access the IP address. Once you have that, go ahead and open up your preferred web browser. We're going to use Chrome here, and you're going to type in the IP address here into the top, and then hit Enter. And that's going to bring you to a page that looks like this. You may get to a login page that asks for username and password. So the administrator password by default is admin, all lowercase. If it's anything different than that, go ahead and reach out to your IT department. Once you're logged in, go ahead and hit address book. And here you can have a list of all of your contacts. Let's see. We don't have any, so we're going to go and click add. The type is contact. Search number will default to the next available number, or if you want a specific number, you can put that in there. Address name. I'm going to put in Novatech for ours. You can put in your name or your department if you like that better, whatever makes sense. All right, and then you come down here to the email tab, and it's going to be a new address. If you have one in here that you need to edit, then you would drop this down and you would have another option for the address that's already in there. And you would be able to edit that from here. Then you put in your email address. And then when it scans in to this email, you can choose a different type of format. Compact PDF is fine, that's the default. And then once you're finished there, just go ahead and hit submit. And it's easy as that. We can come back to the address book. And I'll show you real quick how to edit. And you see we have Novatech here. Go ahead and left click, don't check the box, but left click the blue link for the name. And if you needed to edit the email address here, you're on the email tab still, and then under new address, drop that down to the address and that'll bring up the existing information. There you go, and edit that and then hit submit, and then you're all done. Thanks for watching.